What is going on, everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you a very short video about how to make an app. Now I'm not making an app from scratch. If you would like me to do that, just comment on below and I'll look into it. But this is a ready-made app which is made by me and my batchmates. Shout out to my batchmates Rohit, Anindita, and Satish for helping me making this app. So this is a very simple app, and we have done this using the Tkinter module from Python. I think that's how it's pronounced. Excuse me for my pronunciation. So this is how the app looks. This is how the hard coding which we have done for the app. But let me just show you how the app looks first. Okay, so right here we have it, and we're just going to enter, say, 1 minute, and so I just have like 1 minute to explain you the code. So here, we have all these. In basic app building, if you're proficient in Python, you'll know that we have to create a lot of functions, and we've done exactly that. But let me just explain you the important functions. The first important function is obviously the counter. We have the a counter variable that is attached there and gets executed in basically whenever we click the start button, which I've done. And um, the good thing about Tkinter model is that it helps us execute those commands. Like here, we have created a button right there. We can use this. There's this command keyword which allows us to use this particular function, that is the counter function, which we've created here, right? So that's also pretty cool. And you can do a lot of custom modifications. Like here we have created snooze, we have created skip, uh, sorry for that noise, and we have created tick, if it, and we have also created sections where we can open Facebook, open Instagram, and you can do all that. So all this code will be found in the description below. And if you need that, okay, I guess that was the right. So as you can see, this is the message you get. So yeah, the most basic app, you can say, for model building. And as you can see, you have something called a skip, break, snooze, all these sort of customizations. And I can just go to say if I want to go to YouTube, and I've just created all this particular YouTube button was actually created using these functions right here. All right, so all these sort of functions. So let me just go to YouTube and see where exactly I go. I'm just gonna okay, I like gaming, so let's go to gaming. And there you go, it opens YouTube gaming. So pretty cool app, I must say. And you can just take a look through it. The GitHub link for the submission of this app using Spider will be given in the description below. And if you have anything else, any other modifications which you would like after seeing this app, just reach out to me. My details will be there in the description. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and do subscribe if you want to see content like this. Thank you very much.